Hey everyone, today I'm going to try something a little different. We got a character design today. Initially I planned to have this as an intro for a tutorial, but no, I just ended up drawing this character as like a little shopkeeper for a fantasy world. You probably noticed that I did a little bit of rebranding for my video content. And also on Instagram I started doing a little more character designs. I've been exploring different styles. It's always inspired a bit by Zelda, One Piece and Akira Toriyama. And yeah, I keep mixing those things with my anatomy drawings. In the end I want to create my own universe, something unique, something nice. I always loved about Zelda that there is darkness in there, but there's also like a positive outlook on life and the curiosity and adventuring into dark dungeons were also also needing this radiant alive atmosphere. So I laid down the basic ideas and designs. I gave this guy some wrinkles so I can make him friendly but also old. He's got big ears that break with the silhouette of the hair and the head, and it's all round shapes that they keep repeating. I like to use the Symmetry Tool a lot for these designs because it helps me to simply see if something is going to work fairly quickly without doing any crazy poses or anything. I gave him this little, I don't know, this is some details on his trousers. For some reason I thought this would be kind of cute or interesting. Who knows, maybe this will make sense later. Sometimes I like little details. Come up with an explanation another time. Okay, I think this is a wrap up. See you next time.